Hi Jen, hi Chrome. We're happy dahil kakasal na kayo and God bless. And ulit. Si Chrome tsaka si Jen, nag-meet yan sa CLP, sa Singles for Christ. Kabatch namin sila. Then yun, doon sila nagkakilala. Tapos yun.
Si Cromwell, time na magkakilala kami niyan nung elementary pa lang. Elementary, nung high school. Kami na, magkakasama na kami niyan. Nung college nga lang, medyo nagkaiwalay kami ng school pero andun pa rin siya.
Janet, you're our only sister, the only girl in the family. We've been shared our life since your birth. We've grown both in our home and we've shared our ups and downs. We have our quarrels, troubles during those years. But in spite of those many troubles, we made it up.
And you should know that you are life in my veins.
Ang bottom line, Cromwell masaya.
In short, si Cromwell yung pinaka-clown sa lahat sa aming magkakabarkada.
Yan ang pinakamasarap kasama.
Astig!
Yung moment na hindi ko mamutan kay Cromwell, yung high school kami. Talagang lahat ng bagay ginagawa niya. Lahat ng hilig yung para mapansin siya. Ayun, ginagawa niya. C80 pa yan, C80 officer. Sa school din, sa mga subjects, nag-improve siya, nag-aral siya mabuti para lang mapansin ng mga classmates ko.
Hi Jen, I just wanted to tell you that I'm so grateful to have come to know you since you became a member of the community.
Kuminsan siya ay nagiging pabigla-bigla kung magpasya, minsan nagagalit din kung minsan. Kaya harinawa ay maunawaan ng kanyang mapapangasawa ang kanyang ugali.
Ang star nun si Cromwell, oh. Nagagawa.
Malupit pa nun. Pare, diba nag-makeup siya. Kaso, kalbo eh. Mukhang maton.
Oo, mukhang maton. Nakasuot pa yun ng ng costume ng taekwondo na bading. Hindi na kaya yun. Chrome, I really don't know you well, but when Janet told me about you, and then when we talk, I know deep inside you have a good heart. You're a responsible man. And don't keep me down. Astig yan, astig.
Astig. Kaya swerte yung papangasawa niya.
Sobra.
Hindi sakit ng ulo.
Oo.
Chrome, ako'y umaasa na ikaw ay magiging isang responsibilidad na lalaki at ama ng isang tahanan na magiging masaya. At alam kong gagampanan mo ang lahat upang maging masaya kayo sa inyong pagsasama.
Wishing and hoping and thinking and praying, planning and dreaming each night of his charms that won't get you into his arms. So if you're looking to find love that you
Alam mo yun, ayaw na niya ibigay yung time ni Jen sa amin. Masyado na siyang seloso. As in, kulang na lang. Pati sa work, bantayan niya si Jen. Kung pwede nga lang, sumiksik yan kay Jen lagi eh.
Ikaw naman bunso, ay aasahan ko na magiging mahaba ang iyong pangunawa. Kung sino man sa inyong dalawa ang may pagkakamali, ay inyong pag-usapan ang maayos upang maiwasan ang hindi pagkakaintindihan at hindi dumating sa kung anumang bagay na magkakaroon ng problema ang isang pamilya.
I'll take care of you. Don't be sad. Don't be blue. I'll never break your heart.
Keep me updated and keep in touch. Tell me if you have any problems. I'm here not only as your brother, but also as your friend.
To Jen, obey from, syempre, husband mo na siya. And to Crom, ganun din, same din, sundin mo rin si Jen, love her more. Kasi pag hindi gagrant ni Lord yung mga prayers mo. Totoo yun. Nasa Bible yun. Nasa Bible yun, 1 Peter 3 verse 6. Basahin mo yun.
Panginoon Diyos, sana sa kanyang hinaharap na panibagong buhay na magkaroon siya ng pamilya, sana ay maging masaya silang dalawa.
Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung buhay nyo, maging happy kayo. Alam ko naman, ayun, masaya-masaya ako. Kaya nga kayo nag-desisyon na pakasal.
End of time.
I'd like to take this opportunity to greet you and Crom best wishes and congratulations to fulfilling this great event in both of your lives. And may God be the center of your relationship, and may you both grow in maturity in Christ.
Both of you, keep up on improving your lives. Share everything. Talk on everything. Be responsible on everything. And especially, pray and be with God always.
Sana sa bagong buhay mo, nakasama mo yung pinakamamahal mo, si Lingling. Sana lahat ng mga pangarap nyo sa buhay ay matupad. At the same time, sana maging happy kayo.
I'm proud to tell the world.
And so now, I just wanted to congratulate you and Crom for fulfilling this very special event in your lives. My constant prayer goes to you both to be able to surpass all the minor and major obstacles that will come along the way. I wish you all the best and congratulations and God bless you both.
Sa lahat ng hirap, alam ko, kahit kayong dalawa, yung papangasap, kakayanin niyo lahat.
Kasi lagi nandyan si God sa inyo. Sige.
Okay, pare.
Best pare.
Best wishes and congratulations.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Forever be happy.
May you always have happiness in your lives and contentment.
Congratulations and best wishes. We love you. Tita and Tito, good luck and best wishes. I love you.